We are HJS Automation International in Shenzhen, China. This is our pneumatic stencil cleaner. SAS 304 structure, acid and alkali corrosion resistance. Only driven by compressed air, no use electric power. Easy operation, clean and dry complete automatically. Patent 360 degrees rotation spray rods on both sides. Ensure good cleaning quality and stable stencil tension. Liquid recycle use, low consumption. Inner lock safety door and safety valve. 3-level precise liquid filtering system. Modular design, easy maintenance. Both solvent and water-based clean liquid can be used. We welcome your inquiry.